Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register your charger with Blink for mobile notifications. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register your charger with Blink for mobile notifications, start by opening the Blink app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, sign in to your Blink account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, navigate to the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that Add Device button to begin the registration process. Select Charger from the list of device types. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code on your charger. Ensure your charger is powered on and connected to the internet. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will display the device information. Review the information for accuracy and tap Register. You will be prompted to enable mobile notifications for this charger. Confirm that you want to receive notifications by selecting Yes. Customize your notification settings as needed, including alert type. After setting your preferences, tap Save. Your charger is now registered with Blink, and mobile notifications are enabled. Test the notifications by simulating a charging event. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive an alert on your phone. You can manage your registered devices anytime in the Devices tab. For further adjustments or troubleshooting, refer to the app's help section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.